Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Adding a new library to UVI Falcon is a quick process that expands your creative options. First, you need to locate your SoundBank files on your hard drive. These files usually have a .ufs extension. It is best to keep all your UVI libraries in one dedicated folder. This makes organization much easier. Once your files are in the right place, open the UVI Falcon software. Look at the top menu bar and click on the Falcon logo. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. You can also press Command and Comma on a Mac or Control and Comma on a PC. A new window will appear on your screen. Click on the SoundBanks tab at the top of this window. You will see a list of folders that Falcon currently monitors. Click the Add button to browse your computer. Find the folder where you stored your .ufs files. Select that folder and click Open. The path will now appear in the list. You must ensure the checkmark next to the path is active. Close the Preferences window. Sometimes you need to restart the software for changes to take effect. Now, look at the browser on the right side of the interface. Click on the SoundBanks icon. Your new library should appear in the sidebar list immediately. You can now double-click any preset to start playing. This method works for both official UVI expansions and third-party libraries. Keeping your paths organized ensures that Falcon always finds your sounds quickly. You are now ready to explore your new sonic textures and start making music with your updated library collection.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.